In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance P2p, a powerful peer-to-peer trading platform. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through buying and selling on Binance P2p smoothly and securely. Let's dive in by opening the Binance app. If you haven't logged in yet, do so now to access all your trading features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower part of the screen or wherever your main menu is located and look for the trade section. Here, you'll see an option labeled P2P. Tap on that and it will open up the peer-to-peer trading interface. This is your gateway to trading directly with other Binance users, enabling you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies without relying on centralized exchanges. Now you have a choice to make. Decide whether you want to buy or sell crypto. Once you've made your decision, it's time to select the cryptocurrency you're interested in. For example, you might choose USDT or BTC. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct option that matches your trading objectives. The next step is very important, as it involves choosing your payment method. Tap on the filter button to refine your search by the payment method that's most convenient for you, whether that's a traditional bank transfer or a digital service like Gcash. Filtering by payment method ensures that the offers you're viewing are relevant to the ways you are prepared to send or receive funds. After setting your filters, you're ready to select a trading partner. It's best practice to choose a trusted buyer or seller. Trustworthiness can often be determined by reviewing their trading history, ratings, and feedback from other users. After finding a partner that meets your criteria, tap, buy, or sell, depending on your prior selection. With your partner selected, you're now ready to enter the transaction amount. This is the specific amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Be accurate with this step to avoid any potential discrepancies. Once the amount is entered, place your order by tapping on the Place Order button. This will initiate the trade. For buyers, next comes following the payment instructions provided by the seller. Make sure to complete the payment using the agreed method within the given time frame. For sellers, you'll be waiting instead to receive the payment. Patience is important here, as transactions could take some time depending on the method you chose. Finally, if you're selling, once you've confirmed the receipt of payment, tap on Payment Received to release the cryptocurrency to the buyer. If you're on the buying side, simply wait for the crypto release to your account, signifying the completion of the trade. And there you have it, a complete guide to using Binance P2P. With these steps, you can securely and efficiently trade crypto on a peer-to-peer basis. Thank you for watching and happy trading on Binance P2P, where simplicity meets security.